1.2 Volkswagen ID.7 700 km WLTP range. Source: Volkswagen. Media. 1.1.2 Pure electric vehicles. Pure electric vehicles, PEVs, have a battery instead of a fuel tank, and an electric motor instead of an internal combustion engine, ICE. They are also described as battery electric vehicles, BEVs, or just electric vehicles, EVs. EVs are powered only by electricity and are plugged in to be recharged. They do not produce any tailpipe emissions. Most now have a real-world range of 100-300 miles on a single charge. Examples include the Nissan Leaf, Volkswagen ID.3/4, Jaguar I-Pace, Audi Q4 e-tron and Tesla Model 3. Figure 1.3 Audi Q4 e-tron PEV. Source: Audi AG. 1.1.3 Hybrid electric vehicles. Hybrid electric vehicles, HEVs, are powered by an internal combustion engine in combination with one or more electric motors that use energy stored in batteries. HEVs combine the benefits of good fuel economy and low tailpipe emissions with the power and range of conventional vehicles. The standard type of HEV cannot be plugged in and charged from an external source. Examples include the Toyota Prius, Honda CR-V and BMW 3 Series. Figure 1.4 Honda CR-V HEV. Source: Honda. Media. 1.1.4 Plug-in hybrid electric vehicles. Plug-in hybrid electric vehicles, PHEVs, have a battery, electric drive motor and an internal combustion engine, ICE. They can be driven using the ICE, the electric drive motor, or a combination of the two. They can be recharged from an external power source. Typical PHEVs have a pure electric range of 20 to 50 miles. Once the battery is discharged, journeys can continue in hybrid mode, meaning that there is no range limit. PHEV examples include the Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV, BMW 330e, and Volkswagen Golf GTE. Range extended electric vehicles, EREVs, are a type of PHEV, but they have an internal combustion engine and generator on board to recharge the battery when it is discharged. An example was the early BMW i3, but these are not now available as new. Figure 1.5 Volkswagen Golf GTE. 1.1.5 How to recognize an EV. Externally, the easiest way to recognize an EV, or HEV or PHEV, is knowing the make or model of the vehicle, or if not, then by the badging. Many include an E in the name, e-tron, GTE or BMW 330e, for example. The other outside feature will be the charging port. This may be under what looks like a fuel filler flap or, in some cases, behind the manufacturer's badge. Inside the car, the dashboard will be a little different and, for example, will show the word ready when switched on. This is the equivalent of having the engine running. There is also likely to be a battery meter showing the state of charge. Under the bonnet, the most obvious feature will be bright orange cables. These are the ones that carry the very high voltage. They are perfectly safe to touch, if they are not damaged, but best left to the experts. Many pure EVs have a green stripe on the number plates. If all else fails when identifying a vehicle, we could look in the driver's handbook. Figure 1.6 Audi Q4 Sportback 50 e-tron Quattro.